ড্রিম কারিগরের ইউটিউব চ্যানেলের পক্ষ থেকে সবাইকে স্বাগত।
Introducing the versatile and highly coveted Ganoderma mushroom, also known as Lingji in Chinese and Reshi in Japanese. Extensively used in Chinese traditional medicine for centuries, this species of fungi is being extensively studied by scientists for its promising potential as described in ancient Chinese and Japanese pharmacopoeia. With the re-emergence of traditional approaches to health enhancement, the use of Ganoderma is being revived. The World Health Organization estimates the size of the global market for herbal products at 304 billion ringgit in 2000 and is expected to grow to 760 billion ringgit in 2008. At the center of this robust development is the DXN Group, a company focusing principally in the myriad uses of the Ganoderma mushroom. DXN produces a wide range of products, ranging from health food supplements, food and beverages, to personal care and household products. These high-quality products based on the wonder mushroom are aggressively marketed through multi-level marketing or MLM in the domestic and overseas markets. The dynamic history of DXN began with Dr. Lim Xiao Jin, whose deep interest in mushrooms and its health effects on humans led to the company's successful embarkation on the scientific cultivation and processing of the Ganoderma species of mushroom. DXN currently has a range of more than 40 products comprising health food supplements, food and beverages, and household products. DXN's products are approved by the Ministry of Health Malaysia with GMP license. As a member of the Direct Selling Association of Malaysia, DXN products penetrate the Malaysian market through its wide network of licensed MLM-based distributors. Abiding by stringent standards, DXN's products have received recognition from TGA, the Therapeutic Goods Administration. In recognition of discerning standards, DXN has been accorded the ISO 9001-2000 and ISO 14001 certification by Lloyd's Register of Quality Assurance. To ensure the highest quality of the products, DXN has regularly sent the products to the independent chemical analysis for further testing and confirmation. All DXN products are also halal certified. In the manufacturing process, production rooms, equipment and machinery are regularly cleaned using hot water and food-safe disinfectants, while the air conditioning system is filtered to remove airborne contaminants. Product output is constantly monitored by the QC team, with random samples thoroughly checked for consistency. In our 3-in-1 coffee mix factory, manufacturing begins with pre-mixing of high-grade coffee and Ganoderma powder. The process is strictly controlled in our clean room environment. After mixing, the powder will go through automatic packing. Further quality checks await the finished product before packing. The eye for detail and priority given to discerning quality of products is the hallmark of the DXN Group. Continuous R&D and market development is DXN's key to success in the manufacturing business. All of this nurtures the confidence for DXN to confidently and bravely stride further to expand its operation. DXN's marketing philosophy of one world, one market speaks for itself. It underscores a mission to aggressively tap into every location with zest and reward, with all international distributors able to gain worldwide benefits with a single membership. In this context, DXN sees the US and Europe, with their large consumer population and high disposable income, as potential markets. Through the establishment of branch offices and stockists in major cities across the country, DXN expects to successfully tap into both regions. Interfacing with technology, DXN's adoption of e-commerce will further enhance the company's marketing strategy. DXN believes in continuously developing the marketing edge of its distributors through a series of marketing programs. Regularly organized tours to its farm and manufacturing facility in Jitra Khada serve to educate stockists, distributors and customers. Supplementing this are seminars and training programs. A vision set and a mission reaching out to further horizons will see the DXN Group excelling for years to come. Enter a world where dreams come true. Enter the world of DXN.